Today we're checking out the generative AI tools built into Premiere Mobile, specifically Generate Image and Expand Image. Let's generate an image for this blank project. Tap Videos and Images and choose Generate Image. Type in a prompt describing what you want, like sunset over a city skyline. Pick a content type and an aspect ratio, then hit Generate. The app gives you 4 AI-generated variations. Just tap Use Image to add it directly to your timeline. Easy. Next is Expand Image, which helps when your image doesn't match your project's aspect ratio. Just select the image in your timeline and scroll through the toolbar to find Expand Image. Choose the desired ratio, and Premiere Mobile will generate 4 new versions that fill the frame. Pick one, hit Use Image, and you're done. Both features use generative credits, so keep an eye on your balance. That's it. Let us know in the comments what prompts or ideas you're experimenting with. We hope this helps.